How's it going, everyone? This is Technos playing some more League of Legends today. We're going to be continuing our series of Champions A to Z with everyone's new favorite bird, Azir. We're going to be playing against an Orianna in the mid lane. Ooh. That's probably going to be as challenging as that LeBlanc I faced last game.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Come down here and give a leash to Lee Sin. I really like Azir. I still feel like he's a clunky champion at times. And, but I mean, he can do this. And that is freaking hilarious, and I cannot get over that.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
So, I'm a pigeon. Just gonna be a pigeon all day. And we're gonna try and kill Orianna. Hopefully we will. Hopefully she won't destroy us with her little ball of death. Since our mechanics work so similarly, it's gonna be kind of ridiculous.
Minions have spawned.
Let's see, what we got going on with our team. We have a Corki and Blitzcrank in the bot lane, Rumble up top, and Lee Sin in the jungle. And their team has a Leona, Corki bot lane, Lee Sin top, Orianna mid, and Sion in the jungle. Up there, gonna take their red. Alright, let's go get their red.
We will unearth what has been lost.
Let's go get it. Yeet. Help him with this leash. So, we'll just trade reds. Be alright. What is going on with this Leona mid? Please tell me. Why is there a Leona mid? I don't want to fight a Leona mid. Full AD Leona sucks. Plus, she's tanky as hell. I can't fight a tanky as hell person. I can farm against a tanky as hell person. See what I mean? She has two abilities! What was that? Bullshit.
Loyalty will be rewarded.
I have to take my pots already. Fuck! Jesus! Fine then. Little bitch. God dang it. Ah, I did not want to... Why? Oh, that's infuriating. There we go. Good job, Lisa. She hurts so much. Chaos fought me with Leona full AD one time. She hurts so very much. It's not fair.
And be elevated.
Especially against a squishy mid laner.
The order is given.
At least I got a assist off that, so it's not bad.
Give yourselves to Shireen.
Farm as much as we can before she gets back. Nope. I'm gonna stay way back and hopefully not die to you. You can just go somewhere else. I was worried about fighting an Orianna. Now I'm just devastated that I have to fight a Leona. Put 1 point into our W to lower the cooldown of them just a tad. Then we're gonna go max our Q. Hopefully I can get blue as... If I can get next blue. I definitely need it.
The ruler must choose his hour. Never cross an emperor. The order is given.
Oh, damn it, I put it into W. Shit. Flew all the way over turret. I'm not good at multitasking. A person with
Power
multiple
of the
things
sun
going on in their
lives
kit at
in
once
Shurima.
does not agree with me very much. So,
Onward.
I'm still trying to learn a lot with Azir. I want to do good with him. I really like him, but I need practice. I'm missing Leona. The flash. He's him going hard. Ooh, watch out, Lee. Watch out. We got our ult.
Oppose me?
Level ahead of Leona right now. Let's see if I can do something. Help Lee.
I am Shurima's
Oh.
dog.
I was hoping I could jump behind Leona and push her towards Lee, but we might be able to still do something.
Guide humanity to
Nope.
greatness.
Oh well.
Shurima
Enemy
will
has been
know
slain.
we walk the path of radiance.
Damn it. She hurts so much.
There is no future without Shurima.
Oh. If I get caught by one Q, I lose everything. Start with that Rod of Ages. Get our health as quickly as possible, grab ourselves some boots.
I will shift
Get back to
as
lane.
the sands.
Alright.
You need not follow, but you must witness.
Looks like Lee's gonna try and grab his own red, and then give me blue.
All eyes look to us.
I like having Lee jungles just because they don't need blue, so they're really good about just giving it to their mid laner all the time.
Shurima
Yep, I'm coming
lives
for it.
in me. Is eternal.
Damn straight. It's my blue.
Made by our choices.
Damn straight. Nice. Got a kill and a blue. Super good.
Everyone will know the name Shurima.
An enemy has been slain.
Good job, Rumble.
An ally has been slain.
None know the will better than I.
We get to spam abilities for days now. Now that I've gotten more of my kit in, I can stay really far away from Leona.
Soldiers, onward!
Once my Q gets a lower cooldown, I'll be able to just keep my Q on top of her all the time.
Turn Shurima to greatness.
get one more. Need to try to get it behind her, so she has to walk through it. Having troubles with that. It's coming up short. So you can try it next time.
Believe in our future.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Let's put that turret top. A robot lane.
We are the authors of history.
Yeah, help him out down here. Oh, Leona's down here. Yeah, I definitely need to roam bot lane. We're not missing anybody.
Must awaken.
Got nobody to throw our minions towards.
Shurima's legacy will endure. Order is given.
Uh-oh. Zion's going somewhere.
Right to rule.
We probably need to help
Shurima lives.
the guy up top. Nope, nope, nope. Dang it. Nope. Oh! That snipe, that hurt.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, that was funny.
Shurima's legacy
Alright, good. They got the Scion. We just need to get out of there.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Let's get back to mid lane.
None know the
Oh, this game's going a lot better than my last game. Yeah, I'm gonna push my tower. Push it lots.
We are made by our choices.
Yes, we are. Good words from Azir. Hey, we actually won that trade. Got her off of us.
Those who follow me follow destiny.
I'm surprised we won that.
We are the authors of history.
Yeah. They kick each other away? Ah, dang it. That's crap. Oh, such crap. That Zion's going ham. Oh, Lee, I think you're done. Ooh, good equalizer. Very awesome. Nice. Very good equalizer, Rumble.
There is no future without Shurima. All eyes
See if I can
look
take blue
to
real
us.
quick. Help protect bot lane. So we don't want them taking blue.
Order is given. power of the sun.
Grab
lives
ourselves
in
blue.
Shurima.
Help Rumble protect mid.
Ancient power. Forces. Soldiers, onward!
All of them are bot lane. Everyone's bot lane. I'm gonna stay back here.
Double kill. An ally has been slain.
Get out of here. Oh, Rumble got it. Oh. Whew. That was intense. Wow, I got a lot of assists out of that. I just wanted to stay as far outside that fight as possible and just shoot stuff into it.
We walk a path of radiance.
I'll try and go up there and take it. Yeah, they were pretty low, so we might be able to grab Dragon here.
Join me and be elevated.
They're gonna take mid tower if they don't defend the
Order
boat.
is given.
It won't be really worth it to come up to the top tower.
Behold the desert's wrath. No sacrifice is too great.
If they take tower, I can always push up my passive tower, but good, they kept them off it.
An enemy has
Keep
been
pushing,
slain.
fantastic, got a kill.
To greatness.
Just keep pushing this up. There we go.
Destroyed a turret.
Got the tower.
I am Shurima's dawn.
Now we'll run back to mid lane to defend it. Man, I feel so slow.
We will unearth what has been lost.
Enemy killing spree. Slain.
Whew. This is intense. Just trying to throw as many minions into a fight as possible. Jeez.
My enemy lives in every grain of sand.
Nope.
But you must witness.
The Lee syndrome. Punny.
Loyalty.
Oh, wow, I got out of that. That tower was beating down on me. Man, these fights are intense. Once again, I'm sorry if I'm blanking
Shall
out
return.
and not commentating and talking like I should be, because using Azir
An
is
ally has been
really
slain.
difficult in my opinion. So you're sitting here trying to consider where all your minions are, how many minions you have, how long my cooldowns are, so I can keep queuing and throwing more minions at people. And it's just, it's difficult.
Shurima's legacy will endure.
At least he's a mid laner that can get blue on his own without much trouble. Just grab it real quick.
Ally has been slain.
Loyalty will be rewarded.
Back to mid. Just keep grabbing blue so their guys don't grab it.
The order is given.
Oh, get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, damn it! Oh, they hurt. They hurt so bad. Oh, gotta love the new silent. Just gotta love them. Oh, Lee's doing real good. There's so much stuff on the ground with 2 Corkis and a Rumble. I can't tell what's an equalizer and what's not.
We are made by our choices.
Yeah. This Blitzcrank's hilarious. Yeah, we need to grab a tower besides top tower because they've gotten one of each. We need to grab more towers.
And be elevated.
Save my soldiers so we can take this tower quickly. Oh shit.
Enemy double kill.
Oh, I got hurt bad. And we didn't take the tower. God dang it. Alright, I'm going in. Good jump.
All eyes look to us.
It's gonna try and recall.
My empire
This is
lives
one high-risk
in
game.
every grain of sand.
Wow, I'm sadly 1-4. Jeez.
Onward!
Oh, they're all mid still.
The order is given.
Lord, Lord, Lord. So much crap going on. Oh, he got it. Okay. There we go. I wanted that kill. We're gonna put a tower there by accident. That's totally fine.
Has been slain.
I'm out. See what we can do. A few more units sitting around.
There is no future without the order is given.
Nope, I'm dead. It stayed too long. They all came back. Ooh, got that Leona.
Has been slain.
Blitzcrank's doing real good to pick her off.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Alright, so we got our Rod of Ages and our Nashers too. Let's grab Riley's Crystal Scepter next. Grab more health. And be able to slow people with our abilities.
I turn Shurima to greatness.
Oh, so close. Hopefully this minion wave will push bot tower out.
The Ascended shall guide humanity to greatness.
An ally has been slain.
The power of the sun lives in Shurima.
We do need to take care of the Scion chopping down top tower. There we go. Back to mid.
Everyone will know the name Shurima.
Dude, you need to back out. You were really low. You just need to back out.
Onward!
I'm getting the hell out of there. Nope. No one's coming through there. I know, I'm really low.
We will
gonna back out.
unearth what has been
Woo.
lost.
Roger, Dodger. Come get blue. Health. Get all healed up. Back to
This
mid lane.
slumbering world must
Just all
wake
my life is in mid lane. I am assisting a lot. I might not have kills, but I am assisting a lot with the damage I'm putting down.
Follow destiny.
That's at least a good thing. We'll have that as backup. Not let that shit get on me. Nope.
We walk a path of greatness.
So I'm gonna push mid lane out. I like how I knocked Lee Sin and the Scion back.
Rampage.
The order is given.
There we
Has
go.
destroyed a turret.
Probably can grab one more tower.
Your Your turret has been destroyed.
Never mind.
No
Never mind.
sacrifice is too great.
Let's grab some boots. Maybe this Corky down bottom looks delicious.
Soldiers, onward!
Good job, got the Corky. Let's just get out.
My empire lives in every grain of sand.
Oh, we can go back and get Rayleigh's Crystal Scepter.
Join me.
Go pick there. Let's just get back, guys. Back. They just do not want to get back. Oh, guys. Guys.
An ally has been slain.
I will return Shurima to greatness.
Lee Sin taking charge.
Loyalty will be rewarded.
Yeah, Rumble can split push there. We'll stick together. There we go. Get him out.
Everyone will know the name.
Part of any of this. I'm just using every ability to stay outside and throw soldiers into it. Dang. Alright, we got Corky here. I'll save up those soldiers now. Let's take this tower. Here, I have a tower at our back.
Onward! Order is given.
Yeah, turret range. Jeez.
Onward! Shurima lives.
Yep, let's go
in
take
me.
Dragon. Oh, this is a really fun game. I'm really enjoying this. I wonder if I can solo Baron Azir yet. Maybe. I can go try.
The power of the sun
Blue.
lives in Shurima.
You are a fantastic Lisa. You know that. Oh, you bitch. Oh well. I don't really need blue at this point. I have plenty of mana going on. We're gonna grab Rabadon next.
No sacrifice is too great.
Oh, they're going for Baron right now. Got a kill. Oh shit, I need to get down there. Oh, Rumble's doing really good too. him this way. Bring him this way, Rumble. I can't single Baron, but I can sure try and take him with Rumble. Aww. Come on. Yeah! I got Baron for nobody. Let's see, you're one of the only mages that can even attempt to solo Baron. We'll sell our Doran's ring to grab the blasting one.
We are the authors of history. A ruler must choose his hour.
And we're now even with our deaths, so that's a positive note.
The ascendant shall guide humanity.
Oh, that's the fuck up. No, you bitch, Corky. His missile's too strong. Oh man, you kill me. You kill me so much. Oh, you're gonna be on this torment next. We definitely could win this. Definitely could win this. Take out the towers as much as possible. At least Rumble has. Does Rumble have Baron? I can't tell. Yeah, Baron. Yeah, he has Baron.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Woot woot for that triple kill. That was fun. Alright, I'm gonna go top lane. I think we'll push top next. This Lee Sin's actually really good.
Believe in our future.
Oh no, Scion! Where are you going? Are you... Oh, okay. I guess...
None know
Okay.
the will of the desert better.
I'm gonna push top.
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Ooh.
Order is given.
They hold them all. Hope I'm not screwing them up by being up here. Alright, that's 2 enemies down. So it's still 4 to 3 right now down there. We're pushing it back, so take that tower. Damn it, I didn't mean to put another tower there. Oh well. I kinda just want to take the tower. Alright guys. I can just blast through towers with my W.
The ascendant shall guide humanity to greatness.
Slain an enemy.
Got her.
An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed.
There we go. I like it. Once you get damaged on Azir, and you have all the cooldown you That's very easy. Oh, I killed her in safety circle. Oh, that's a little... Alright, there we go. GG, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as y'all see fit. And I will see y'all in the next video.